draw and learn. Oh, look at here! We have astronautics! Hello, kids! Today we want to draw astronautics with a spaceship. Let's draw with me, kids. Don't forget to subscribe me. Do you like to be astronautics? Do you like to go to the space? That's so amazing! I like it! What about you? Which job do you like to have in the future? Please subscribe me, kids. Oh, look at our astronautics. He has 3 stars. Let's drawing a planet with each other. That's so great. And now I want to draw a spaceship. Keep going, kids. I'm sure we can draw it very well. Let's coloring our drawing with each other. At first, I'm using blue color. Do you like it? So amazing! I want to coloring his hair with brown color. Which color do you like for his hair? Let's color the stars with yellow color. So shiny! If you like my video, please subscribe me. You're so great, kids. Keep going! Finished! That's so great! Thank you for watching me. If you like to see my other videos, please subscribe me. Bye bye!